When you cut and paste data, you effectively move data because you're cutting it from one place to another. But when you copy and paste, you're actually making a duplicate, much like a photocopier. What I'd like to do is take a copy of all this information to save me having to type it again. So I'm going to highlight A1 to F14. And instead of cutting, I'm going to copy. If I hit the copy icon, I get a wiggly border, and the bottom left of my screen is telling me what to do next. Select your destination and press enter. I might like to put it in A20, so that's my destination that I'm going to select, and then press enter. And there's a copy of the data to save me retyping it. I might decide I'd like to put a copy of this data into a new sheet. So I'm going to hit the button to the far right of the last sheet called Insert Worksheet. Now I've got a sheet to paste it into. I'm going back to Clients. I might highlight this information and take a copy. I might then go to the new sheet, select my destination and press enter. And I've just put a copy of the information into a new sheet. In the earlier part of your notes, we looked at double clicking between each column letter to best fit the columns.